A 2 by 2 matrix, the trace of a 2 by 2 matrix is 4, right? Trace of a 2 by 2 matrix is 4 given. Trace means it's a 2 by 2 matrix. Then lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is equal to 4. Determinant is 8. That is lambda 1, lambda 2 is equal to 8. One of the eigenvalue is 2 into 1 plus I. 2 into 1 plus I. Then lambda 1 is equal to, you can give 2 into 1 plus I. 2 into 1 plus I plus lambda 2 is equal to 4. Then 2 plus 2I plus lambda 2 is equal to 4. Then lambda 2 is equal to 2 minus 2I, right? Then what is lambda 2 we got, right? 2 minus 2I, right? That is, then 2 into 1 plus the other eigenvalue is, alright, then 2 into 1 minus I, 2 into, take 2 out, 2 into 1 minus I. Is there a direct question, right? Alright.